how to log out of all devices on Instagram using the latest version of the app. This is a great way to secure your account if you've signed in on another phone, tablet, or computer. To get started, open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Account Center. Then tap Password and Security. Under the Security Check section, tap where you're logged in. If you have more than one Instagram account, choose the account you want to manage. You'll now see your current device at the top, along with a list of any other devices where your account is signed in. Each session also shows details like the device, approximate location, and the last time it was active. To sign out, tap Select Devices to log out. You can choose specific devices individually, or tap Select All if you want to log out everywhere except your current device, depending on the options available in your app version. Here, choose the devices you want to log out of. I'm not going to log out of my current device, so I'll keep it signed in. Simply follow the steps shown on your screen. Once you've made your selection, tap Log Out, then confirm your choice. The selected devices will be signed out immediately, helping keep your Instagram account secure. And that's it. That's how you can log out of all devices on Instagram in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.